Okay, this is my homework for Chapter 5, problem number 8. We're instructed to draw a bar chart of varying sizes with various colors. This is my turtle module I imported. This is the function that's going to actually draw the bar chart, but it's going to use this part right here to add a value to how high the turtle is going to draw it. Down here is the function that is going to tell the turtle how high to draw and what color to put it in. So these here in excess, these are my heights. And so if it's less than 100, it will fill the bar chart green. If it's greater than 100 but less than 200, it will fill it with yellow. And if it's greater than 200, it will fill it with red. And I will run it right now. And that is it.